Hello kids, welcome to the class. Kids, we have already studied about chapter 2, that is plant around us. In our chapter 2, we have studied about different parts of plants. Then we have studied about functions of the different parts of the plants. Along with it, we came to know about chlorophyll and photosynthesis. Then we have studied about classification of plants. We have discussed that the classification of plant is based upon the type of stems the plant have. On the basis of the types of stems the plants have, plants are divided into 5 types: trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. We have already studied about all these in our previous videos. Now in this video I'm going to discuss about the keywords associated with this chapter. While you came across this chapter, you might have find some words that are new to you and that you think are difficult to you to understand. So I am here with the new words which will help you to understand this chapter more clearly. Okay, now let us start these keywords. There are 6 keywords that I thought will be important for you all. First is observe. First is observe. Observe means to suck or take in. Observe means to suck or take in. Okay. Before washing the clothes, what does mama used to do? Before washing the clothes, what does mama used to do? She used to put your clothes in a bucket which contains water and detergent. Okay, soak it inside the bucket, and you find that water is taken up by the clothes. That is, water sucks the cloth, or it take in the the clothes suck in the water, or the cloth take in the water, or the cloth absorb the water. Now comes bushes. Bushes we have read in our topic shrubs. We have studied that the shrubs look like bushes. So what does the word bushes means? What does the word bushes means? Bushes means densely branched plant. Bushes means densely branched plants, especially shrubs. These are this word is specially associated with the word shrubs. Now your third keyword is particular. Particular means specific or special. When we talk about something special or something specific, it is called particular. Like we get ladyfinger in summer season and we get cauliflower in winter season. So cauliflower is specific to winter season and ladyfinger is specific to summer season. The fourth word to you is produce. Produce means to grow something. The fifth word is creep. Creep comes from the word creepers. The word creepers is made with the term creep. Something that grow or spread in such a way as to cover something. The sixth word is spread. To cover with a layer, like you spread the jam on the bread. You spread the jam on the bread. Likewise, the creepers spread itself on the ground, on the wall. This is all about the keywords of chapter 2. Now there are more words which you find difficult and you need to understand them. And those words have lengthy meanings that we call definition. Okay? Those words have lengthy meaning that we call definitions. Let's come to the definitions. There are few definitions which we need to understand in this chapter. Let's see. This is your chapter 2, plant around us and define. In chapter 1 also we have studied about define. Now in chapter 2 also we are going to study about defines that are present in chapter 2. So your first definition is chlorophyll. We have already discussed about it in our previous videos. Chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? So let's define it. The green colored substance present in leaves which gives green color to the plants and which help the plant to prepare its food is called chlorophyll. Yes, you heard it correct. The green colored substance present in leaves which gives green color to the plants and which help the plant to prepare its food is called chlorophyll. The second definition is of trees. We can define trees as very big plants are called trees. We can define trees as very big plants are called trees. Examples of trees are apple, banyan, mango, peepal, neem, guava, etc. There are many more trees that we see around ourselves, that we see in our neighborhood. The third definition is trunk. The strong and woody stem of trees is known as trunk. The strong and woody stem of trees is known as trunk. We all know that the stem of trees are strong and woody. We have already discussed about it, that the stem of trees is strong and woody. It is very thick. It is very thick so that it can store wood inside it. All the furnitures that we see around us, doors, furnitures, almiras, windows, your bed, everything everything made of wood comes from this trunk. So we can define trunk as the strong and woody stem of trees is known as trunk. The fourth definition is of shrubs. Let's see. Plants with multiple stems which look like bushes is called shrubs. Plants with multiple stems which look like bushes is called shrubs. Example of shrubs are cotton, rose, bougainvillea, etc. The fifth one that we can define is herbs. Herbs are plants with thin and green stem which are not woody. We can define herbs as plants with thin and green stem which are not woody. Examples of herbs are mint, tomato, tulsi, ladyfinger, etc. These all are herbs. Now comes climbers. Plants with weak and thin stem which need other support to stand straight are called climbers. Plants with weak and thin stem which need other support to stand straight are called climbers. Examples are money plant, grapevines, pea plant, etc. The seventh and last topic that can be defined is creepers. Creepers are the plants with thin and weak stem which creep on the ground are called creepers. Creepers can be defined as plants with thin and weak stem which creep on ground are called creepers. Example of creepers are pumpkin, watermelon, cucumber, strawberries, etc. So now let us recapitulate it once more. In today's class we have studied about different keywords. Different keywords are absorb, bushes, particular, produce, creep and spread. These are the keywords, or you can say new words that you come across here. And then we have studied about define. This we have already studied in our chapter. This we have already studied inside our chapters. Again we are doing it here so that we can learn it in a synchronized manner. First, define chlorophyll. Second, trees. Third, trunk. Fourth, shrubs. Fifth, herbs. Sixth, climbers. And seventh, creepers. Hope you don't have any problem in this. If you have any sort of confusion or any sort of query, you can ask me. If you have any sort of confusion or any sort of query regarding chapter 2, you can ask me. That's all for today's session. Your homework is to write the define of these words. Your homework is to write the define of these words and to learn it. Your homework is to define write the define of these words and to learn it. And you can also note it down, the keywords. You can also note it down so that you will not get difficulty studying your chapters. That's all for today's session. Thank you.